Did you know that skipping breakfast could actually help you live longer? Intermittent fasting is more than just a diet trend. It could be the key to boosting longevity and slowing down aging. In this video, we'll uncover the surprising benefits of intermittent fasting beyond weight loss, diving into how it promotes cellular repair, reduces inflammation, and supports overall health. Stick around for tips on how to get started and take your fasting to the next level. 1. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting isn't about what you eat, but when you eat. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, most commonly the 16-8 method or alternate day fasting. But it's not just about restricting calories. It's about triggering some amazing biological processes that can help extend your lifespan. 2. How intermittent fasting promotes longevity. Research shows that fasting triggers autophagy, a natural process where your body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new, healthy ones. This cellular housekeeping can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and support longevity. Fasting enhances insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of diabetes and age-related hormonal imbalances. It also boosts human growth hormone, HGH levels, which plays a role in muscle repair and metabolism. 3. Intermittent fasting and inflammation reduction. The science behind chronic inflammation is linked to many aging-related diseases, including heart disease, Alzheimer's, and cancer. Intermittent fasting has been shown to lower inflammatory markers in the body, keeping your cells healthier for longer. Reducing inflammation can slow down the aging process and keep your body functioning at its peak. 4. Impact on brain health. Fasting stimulates the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that promotes the growth of new neurons and supports cognitive function, protecting against neurodegenerative diseases. Studies suggest that intermittent fasting may help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. Next up, we'll mention the top tips to optimize your fasting. 5. Tips for getting started with intermittent fasting. If you're new to fasting, begin with a 12-hour fast, gradually working your way up to 16 hours. Don't push your limits right away. Water, herbal tea, and black coffee are your best friends during fasting periods. They help keep hunger at bay and support detoxification. Listen to your body. Fasting isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. If you feel fatigued or unwell, it's okay to adjust your fasting window or take a break. To maximize the benefits, focus on nutrient-dense meals when you eat. Incorporate healthy fats and lean proteins to keep your body fueled and energized. What foods to break a fast with? Break your fast with easily digestible foods that won't spike your blood sugar levels. Good options include bone broth, eggs, avocado, and red meat. These will ease your digestive system back into action and help you avoid energy crashes. Debunking common myths. Will fasting slow down your metabolism? In fact, short-term fasting can boost metabolism by up to 14%. Will you lose muscle mass while fasting? With proper nutrition and resistance training, muscle preservation is achievable during intermittent fasting. To wrap it all up, intermittent fasting isn't just a tool for weight loss. It's a lifestyle choice that can potentially extend your lifespan and improve your quality of life. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned faster, remember, it's about progress, not perfection. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.